Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Want to move your crypto from Coinbase to Bitunix? Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT, transferring between exchanges is easy if you get the details correct. I'll show you how to do it. So firstly guys, you will need to log in into your bitunix.com or in the app itself and ensure your account is verified with KYC. Go to Assets, Deposit, select your crypto and choose a network like Tron or Ethereum. Copy the deposit address or save the QR code. And note any memo or tag for tokens like XRP. I sent to the wrong address once, double check it. Open the Coinbase app or the website, go to the assets, select your crypto, and tap send, enter the amount, paste the Bitunix deposit address, and choose the same network, for example Tron on both. Coinbase shows network fees, which vary by congestion. Confirm with two-factor authentication, if you have it. Review the address, amount, and network on Coinbase, and then hit Send Now. Transfers take seconds to minutes for Ethereum or Tron, but up to an hour during high traffic. Check Bitunix's assets transaction history for the deposit. If it does not appear in 2 hours, contact Bitunix support or Coinbase at their corresponding support page as well. And that's pretty much it. Bitunix won't recover mismatched funds if you mess them up, just like I said. Choose the correct network. Questions? Share below, like and subscribe, and also ring the bell to not miss the new videos we upload. We upload frequently. Enjoy the video. See you next time.